Welcome to Cozy Bedroom Ideas. Today, let's create a serene Scandinavian style bedroom, a perfect retreat for restful nights and peaceful mornings. Start with a sturdy wood bed frame and a minimalist nightstand. Opt for natural wood tones or painted finishes in white or light gray for that clean Scandinavian feel. Layer in soft, breathable linens like cotton or linen bedding. Add a chunky knit throw, cozy pillows, and a woven rug to bring warmth and comfort underfoot. Finish the space with potted plants, fresh flowers, or a stack of favorite books. A cozy throw draped over a chair makes the space feel even more welcoming. With simple elements, your bedroom can feel like a peaceful Scandinavian retreat. Subscribe for more home styling tips. See you next time.